Cheers. Don't forget to chunky biscuit. Do you remember where that lock was? You'd never know now. Hello, welcome back to the channel, my Allegro project. Today we're catching up with Chris and seeing how he's getting on with George. It's coming along well. The repairs have been done, the car's in primer, so in the process today of wet flatting. Then he's got to DA the bonnet and get rid of all the old paint off that. So quite a lot of work to do yet before we can put any paint on this car, but let's see how it's getting on. So it's a bit sad to see him in this state, but you've got to go backwards before you can go forwards. I think that makes sense. But the repairs are done. Doors are back on like we saw in the last video. And yeah, we're just in the process of wet flatting. That's today's objective. Get rid of any overspray, any high spots. But yeah, coming along well. So what we're doing in terms of painting is we're painting the entire car minus the roof. So hopefully that'll work out well. We're going for russet brown, obviously the original colour. It should blend in, hopefully, with the paint that's on the roof. Now you can probably see, I don't know if you can spot that on camera, the terrible orange peel on the bonnet there. Just look at that, where that reflection is of the light. So Chris is going to DA the whole bonnet, get it back into primer, and then we'll get a nice new top coat on there. I'm so looking forward to having this back in paint, guys. So this is what I've been doing this morning, getting this sort of silky smooth. You want the texture to be like glass. This is obviously where the pinstripe was on the original paintwork, which just left an impression which even the DA wouldn't take off. So we've sanded all that back and that is now as smooth as you like. So we've just got to carry on with the rest of the car and do that on both sides. Ooh, chocolate digestives, very nice. Cheers. Don't forget to chunky biscuit. Seems all you've got to do to rope me into doing some work is give me a cup of tea and some biscuits. Right, back to the sanding. Right, so there are some areas you can't do by a DA because of the access and the size of the panel. So I'm just rubbing all this down by hand at the moment. I'm just taking this down so it's smooth, so you can't feel like a raised edge, because before we had a nasty blister. And it's getting there. Oh, he's coming along well. Most of the sanding's done now. It's getting close, guys. There's some nasty raised rust there, that's been taken down. You set to bare metal that, obviously. There's some quite bad micro blistering along this panel, but that's all been taken back as well. So yeah, we're getting close. Won't be long, George. So Chris is just putting some primer along the bottoms of the doors where he's done the repairs. Stop it rustling through. But yeah, we're getting there. Right, well, I'd say that's a productive day. Good times. Next time we see this car, it might even be in paint. Really chuffed with the way things have gone today. Chris is happy as well, so good times. See you soon.